Today we will discuss about one table under which we can find all those tables, whatever in the SAP, we can find all the tables in the single table. So we will go to a transaction SA16N and we need to go to this table DD0 to L. Okay, now after executing this table, we can find that these are all fields are available. So if we check that how many tables are in the SAP, so we need to just go to number of entries. We can find that 378726 means 3,78,726 number of tables are present in the SAP. It's too huge. Okay, so now these tables includes all the tables related, like there are table categories. Okay, now if we go for do F4, we can see this that what all categories are there in the table. So first category is trans P, that is transparent tables. These are all tables like EKKO, EKPO, that tables we use in SAP MM. Likewise, we have some internal tables. So these tables are basically used by ABAPers to use these tables to display or for a new development. Okay, so these are some type of tables, and now we are more concentrated about transparent tables. So these transparent tables are we use in day-to-day life in SAP. So how to find those tables? Okay, so we need to select this table transp, and just we need to check whether any Z tables are present in our system or not. So we put Z star and execute. Okay, so so nothing is coming out. It means there is no table, such table as in transparent table, Z table in the in SAP at my system. Okay, so now if we need to create a report to display all the tables, so how to do that? So we need to go to SQVIT code to create a query. Okay, so I have already created a query against this. I will show you how I did it. Okay, so this is a table. Okay, so if we go for a change mode, now we go to basis mode. So what all tables I have joined here? So I need to see what all tables I have joined. The first table I have taken is DD0 to L. This is for database tables. Okay, and another table I have taken is DD0 to T, that is text table. Means in this table we can find out all the tables, but we cannot find the description of the table, and for that reason I have taken this table DD0 to T. Okay, so now um, we need some input parameters as well and some output parameters. So in input and output parameters, I have taken table name as both input and output parameters, table category as both input and output parameters, and from the second table, that is for text table, I have taken language because we have to select English language. So I have taken both the parameters and description as an output. We don't need to provide any input about this. Okay, so I have taken all those things and I have saved it and executed it. So once I execute, I'll get this type of screen, and in this screen we need to just provide our type of table and in the language in which we want, like English language, right? So we just need to execute. So it will display all the transparent tables present in the SAP system. As you can see, how many, means there are many transparent tables, and you can, if you want that, you want it in Excel, then you can transport in Excel by spreadsheet. So now one more task, that this is a query. So how to attach this query with the transaction code? Means we need to create a transaction code and assign this program to that transaction code. So how to proceed that? Just go to SE93 for creation of T code. So this is the T code I have already created, Z table. Okay. So what we need to do here is to go to change mode. We need to provide the program name. Okay. So how to get the program name? We need to go to previously um, that transaction that I used, and in SQVI you need to go to systems, okay, status, and there is a program, right? From here you need to just copy and paste it here in this program, okay, and just save it. So once you save it, our transaction code is ready to use. So I have created this transaction code for database tools. Now I just click on it and I get this screen. Okay, so I have also created a variant, so it represents the table category and the language. Now I just simply execute it to get the data. Okay, let's see. Here it comes. So now in this tutorial I have shown you how to fetch the means data of tables under the tables. Means there is a single table for all the database tables. We can find out through it, and we can incorporate it via SQVI transaction. We can create a report, and also we can assign this report to a new transaction code that we can create and assign it to it. So hope this will give you some understanding about how to create transaction code, how to assign reports to a transaction code, and, and not, at last but not the least, you will get to know how to check all the tables, database tables in a single table. So thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.